Here we have a BMW FOB. It was mailed in to us like this, already opened, and the key does not work. Let's quickly take a look and see what's going on. Very similar to the Benz keys. We have the main coil here, some SMD components, and one thing I noticed is battery is soldered onto the board. So unlike the Benz key, BMW has their batteries soldered onto the board. So no power. We have to check the voltage on the battery to make sure battery is supplying the right voltage. Button here. Oh, so there was prior repair attempt on this. I do not know if this one is empty by default, but oh, so that's why the customer sent an extra battery. Probably he wants to replace the battery, or he attempted to replace the battery, and this is what's going on now. So let me undo the soldering here and redo it. We're gonna test it using the key tester to make sure the fob is working after we fix this mess here. Nice. The wick is awesome. Okay, let's see if we can remove the battery now. Yep. I mean, we do not even have a pad on the back here. It's totally gone. So we're gonna have to solder it from the front and not from the back. I do not see one here. And the board looks empty from the inside. I do not see any wires. It's possible that this is connecting with this, because look at how close it is to the pad here. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Let's take a look at the front again. Nothing obvious on the front. Let's use the new battery. So let's start by soldering this one here. And for this one, we're gonna have to bend it. We're gonna solder this with this. This equals this, so it's okay to solder this with this. But let me just double check. just bend it, and I'm gonna apply some solder. Worst case scenario, we can remove this. I do not have another donor key that we can look at, but I'm gonna assume that's what we have to do. So let's see. We're good. Okay, we're gonna see if it works. We're gonna use the FOB tester. It should read 314, 315. $314.9. One more time. 314.9. So it's working. So let's test again. Button number 1. 314.9. Button number 2. 314.9. And button number 3. 314.9. Awesome. So the key is working. We're gonna invoice and ship it back to the customer. I'm glad we figured this out, and that's it. We have a lot of other things to get done. We got over 26 packages today. I just finished working on a Nintendo Switch. I did not feel the need to do a video on it because we have a lot of those, but it's working. I am currently working on a Dell Venue with a charging port problem. This one here. Taking the screen apart is risky, but it's already done. I got to the charging port, and the Flux cable itself on the charging port is not good. So I tried to do some repair on the Flux cable. I did not do a video on it, honestly, but maybe I should. It's not done yet. Maybe I'll do it in the next video. We have a lot of iPads, a lot of iPad 12.9 inch. I would say about maybe 18, 19 pieces that we need to get done. Just finished working on this iPad here. This is the latest model. It was just brain dead and it would not charge. It's working now. 2 more iPad Pros that we need to work on. I mean, the reason I've been doing a lot of iPads in the past couple of videos is because we have a lot of them that we need to fix, and I do not just pick a topic or pick and choose which one I want to work on. Whatever repair is in the queue, that's what I do a video on. And it so happens the past couple of videos, they're all about iPads. I mean, I'm looking at what else we can do tomorrow, and I came across another iPad right here. So a lot of things to get done and a lot of devices to fix. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.